So you want to upgrade your car audio system and add a subwoofer. You are going to need an aftermarket amplifier, but maybe you don't have much space and you need something that can easily integrate with your existing system. I'm Mark from the YouTube channel Car Audio Fabrication, and I'm here today on behalf of AudioControl to show you why you need the AudioControl ACM-1.300. This single channel 300 watts RMS at 2 ohms or 175 watts RMS at 4 ohms amplifier not only packs a punch, but has a wide variety of features. First off, installation is simple. Start with connecting an 8 gauge or larger power wire and ground. Next, if you're using a factory head unit, tap into the speaker wires of the vehicle in order to provide signal to the amplifier, as this amplifier has a line output converter built in. To connect our new aftermarket subwoofer, we use the speaker connections here, and although this amplifier is a mono amplifier, the additional connections allow for simple connection of an additional subwoofer on the mono signal. With these connections made, the amplifier will monitor the speaker level inputs, and using AudioControl's GTO or Great Turn On technology, once a signal is detected, the amplifier will automatically turn on. There is an issue though. Factory sound systems are notorious for cutting the bass as you turn up the volume. They want to protect their inexpensive speakers, but when we are adding a new subwoofer, we need that bass. AudioControl's AccuBASS technology is built into the ACM-1.300 and restores this bass roll-off for optimal bass performance with our new added subwoofers. Already have an aftermarket head unit or DSP installed? Then provide audio signal to the ACM-1.300 with the RCA Line Inputs. To avoid sending unwanted high-frequency sound to our new subwoofer system, we can adjust the included low-pass crossover to 80 Hz or 120 Hz, or for applications where the crossover will be set further upstream in the system, we can simply bypass the crossover, allowing for flexible system design. To properly level match the ACM-1.300 with the equipment providing the audio signal, we can simply adjust the gain control that includes a maximized light. This allows for precision setup without the need for additional testing tools. Finally, AudioControl's sold separately ACR-1 remote level control can be attached and mounted near the driver for quick adjustment of the subwoofer level when needed. For further system expansion, this amplifier can also be paired with the ACM-4.300 for a compact 5-channel system. Next time you want to simply add a subwoofer to a car audio system with a small, compact, yet very powerful amplifier, definitely consider the ACM-1.300. For a more advanced video about the ACM series of amps, check out the video here on screen. On behalf of AudioControl, thank you for watching.